You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Not every item in your home should follow you overseas. One of the smartest moving decisions is knowing what not to ship. Professionals often overship because they are trying to reduce uncertainty, but sending everything is not always the smartest plan. When you move abroad for work, the question is not simply what you own. The real question is what will actually support your life in the new country. There are usually three categories. First, ship. Those are the items you know you will use, and that will make sense to move internationally, such as core household goods, professional effects, selected furniture, important files, and meaningful or high-value belongings. Second, store. These are the items you don't want to lose, but you don't need them immediately overseas. This can make sense if the assignment is temporary, housing is not final, or you may return to the USA later. SDC materials emphasize storage as one of the process topics that helps reduce uncertainty during a move. And third, replace. These are the items that are cheaper, easier, or more practical to buy after arrival, especially if they are low value, bulky, or unlikely to fit in your new home. A tech professional moving to Amsterdam for a 2-year role may ship core personal belongings and selected household goods, placing sentimental furniture in climate-controlled storage and replacing lower value items after arrival. You do not need to move everything to move well. You need a plan that fits your destination, housing, and work horizons. If you're deciding what to ship and what to hold back, give us a call, 877-339-0267, or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com. We'll help you build the right shipping plan.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.